Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workspace and opening the area where the dash rubs. Remove battery negative only if you'll touch airbags, otherwise disconnect radio power. Use trim tools and a small pick to pop clips. Work slowly to avoid broken tabs. Once panels give, inspect seam edges, vent mounts, and the dash-to-frame gap. Identify the exact rubbing surfaces. Mark them with a small piece of tape. Then clean contact areas with isopropyl to remove dust and grease, so lubricants adhere properly. You now treat the problem zones directly. Spray a light Teflon or silicone lubricant onto the contact surfaces. Avoid overspraying vents. For fasteners and pivots, smear a thin layer of dielectric grease so movement stays smooth. Once lubricated, cut narrow strips of adhesive felt tape and apply them to the mating edge. This cushions and prevents future rubbing. Make sure each shim sits flush and doesn't block vents or controls. Reassemble panels loosely first. Test for squeak before tightening every fastener. You finish by testing under real conditions and making small adjustments. Reinstall the trim with screws finger tight, then sit and bounce the dash while a helper operates steering and climate vents. Listen carefully. If you still hear squeaks, pinpoint the spot, remove the nearby panel, and reposition felt or add another small shim. Once quiet, torque screws evenly to factory feel and replace any broken clips. Final tip: if noise returns, swap the adhesive tape for automotive-grade foam. It lasts longer and resists heat and humidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.